Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 7 work-from-home jobs that pay $100 a day or more in 2020. Can you imagine not having to drive to a job, being able to work from home, maybe just stay in your pajamas, be with your children, work from Starbucks or work from anywhere in the world? And that's what these jobs will allow you to do. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. Again, we're going to talk about 7 work-from-home jobs that pay $100 a day or more in 2020. The first job is to be a live chat agent. And of course, this is where you go to a website and they have the live chat. And I know I really appreciate that, especially things that are technical and I'm trying to figure things out. But there's 3 different sites I wanted to share with you that you can go to get a job as a live chat agent. The first one is the chatshop.com, and they'll pay you anywhere from $13 to $18 an hour. So what you'll do is just go here to the chatshop.com and just click on careers, and it'll take you to the openings that they have. The second one is sitestaffchat.com, and they will pay you up to $20 an hour. So you just go here and again click on careers. Third one is concentric.com/careers, and they pay around $12.50 an hour. You can just go here and search the careers here on Concentric. That's a great way to work from home, is being a live chat agent. The second work-from-home job is to be a travel agent. Now, this isn't like where you join an MLM and you become a travel agent, but I did have a friend of mine who did this, and she worked from home and she would book cruises, group cruises, and that's where you can make a lot of money. But kind of look at this as something, if you're interested in travel, and this is something where you can learn how to be a travel agent. And this website right here, homebasedtravelagent.com, is a great resource for you. If you go here and just click on About, this gentleman has been in the travel industry for 40 years and definitely is a good resource in helping you to learn how to become a travel agent and how you can get jobs as a travel agent. But this is something that you can do from home. It's we can make some good money with it, especially with the group travel. And it's something where you can work your way up, to get more clients, but you can also work for a travel agency and be able to do it remotely from your home. So that's the second one. The third one is to become a translator, not a transcriptionist, but a translator, where you translate from one language to another. And I just listed out 4 different websites that you can go to find translation jobs. The first one is Aberdeen, second one is Aclaro, third one is Appen, and then the fourth one is SDL. So just go to those websites there and look for jobs as a translationist. And that's a great way that you can work from home, because there's all kinds of companies out there that are needing certain documents or videos or different things translating from one language to another. So that's a great way you can work from home. Fourth one is to be an editor and proofreader. Now, if you go to a site like Upwork.com, you can look at, I was looking at editor and proofreader. And if we go here and type that in, you can see how much people are making per hour. And it's definitely something where you can make some good money. And if you are good at that kind of thing, like you really like to find mistakes and correct them, and you have a lot of experience in that area, really you don't have to start out with a lot of experience, but if you're just good with English and proofreading and editing, you can see that these people are making like $40 an hour. This person's made over $20,000. So anywhere from, looks like $30 to $40 an hour. So that's something where you can become good at that and it's just a skill that you learn, and you wonder, like, why do some people make more money than others as far as jobs go? I mean, a surgeon obviously has more skills than someone who's working at Target. And so when you learn a skill, you're obviously going to get paid more. So if this is something that interests you, definitely a good work from home job. Okay, the fifth one is similar. It's a copywriter, and that's where you like write sales pages and you become very good at writing copy. And that is a skill that you can definitely learn, and it pays really, really well. If we go to Upwork again, and let's just see what people are charging for their services. Actually, I should write copywriting. Well, here we go, like $86 an hour. This person has earned over $200,000. So when you become very good at this type of work, then you can charge a lot for your services. And I was going to say that you can go to a website called Udemy and look at their copywriting courses and just become skilled in this area. You can see there's a lot of different courses that you can take here. A lot less than if you would go back to school, go back to college and get like another degree. This is something that you can do from home, and you can make a lot more money than having a job, because these services are definitely in demand with all the digital marketing that people do. So copywriting, great skill to learn, great way to make money from home. The sixth one is a video editor. Now I know with a lot of people doing YouTube marketing, people need video editors, not only individuals but companies. And so you can become very good at video editing and learn how to do that. Again, you could go to Udemy to, let's see, type in here, video editing. And a way that you could get clients, see, these are a lot of different classes that you can take in here, courses where you can learn how to become a really good video editor. And this service is in high demand. And I'll tell you one way that you could get some clients, people who are just online marketers. You could go to some Facebook groups and you could offer your services for free and tell them, if you like my services, this is my cost after that. And a lot of people will take you up on that offer because they're interested in video editing. They don't have time to do it themselves. But I find that if you have the mentality of, let me do something for free so you can see if you like my services, then that will pay you for years to come if they like what you do. Like my husband one time wanted to get a job driving at a standard. He was going to be a delivery driver, but he didn't know how to drive. So he told them he'd work, I think it was 2 days for free if he got the job, and he taught himself how to do it. So if you offer your services for a discounted price or for free, then you can get a lot more clients that way. But video editing is, like I said, definitely in demand. I actually would like to hire somebody to do some video editing for myself. And you can go to Fiverr here and see, well, you can look at all the people that do copywriting, how much they charge for that. But video editing, I think you can make some good money with that as well. These are $130. It's definitely, again, something that is in high demand. So that would be a good skill to learn and a great work from home job. The seventh one is virtual assistant. And with so many people doing online marketing, businesses, they need people who will manage their social media accounts or just anything that they need to do that they don't have time to do. And if you go to Google and just type in virtual assistant jobs, you can see there are all kinds of jobs that you can find where you can work from anywhere. Administrative assistant, virtual assistant. And I just searched like how much do they generally make? The average salary in the United States is $15.85, which isn't too bad as far as the amount of skill that you need with this. So these are things that you just already know how to do, like maybe manage someone's spreadsheets for them or whatever they need you to do, booking flights or different things that they don't have time to do. And again, you can be managing their social media accounts as well, and that's something that you already know how to do. So virtual assistant is a great work from home job that will pay you some pretty good amount of money as well. So just to recap, virtual assistant, video editor, copywriter, editor and proofreader, become a translator, travel agent, or a live chat agent. So hope you guys found some value in these work from home jobs. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. If you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.